Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. It's Analysis. I hope you're okay. And this analysis was 6th of June 2024. Let's see what's happening in the market. Right, on the Forex Factory, first of all, we have some heavy impact news. And we got 130 unemployment claims, and we got that's the main news we have for dollar. And rest of the day, we have euro at 10 a.m. and 115 we got euro as well. Do have impact news. Uh, so an ECB euro at 145. So if you trade in euro, then you got news there as well. And this news already passed. So all these times are UK times. Right. Now let's move on to chart, what the chart says. Let's go to daily. In daily, this daily candle, this big green candle has broken previous range 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 candle it has broken. So previously we are bearish in daily, but this was a strong rejection area, and it has been this range has been broken to the upside. And 4 hour bearish in 4 hour, and this was the level. I said if it's broken to the upside, then we can see movement to the upside, and the 4 hour will become bullish. But this 4 hour candle hasn't broken above the wick of this candle. And also this could be a liquidity sweep. So we can definitely bring class it as a liquidity sweep here. And also it's the evening star in 4 hours. So we can definitely expect the markets to come down. Right. And let me put that line back. And now this is 1 hour. We have another picture here in 15 minutes. 15 minutes starting from Tuesday, the 4th of June, we see the market move to the upside. And it's continually bullish. But here, after in 4 hours, there's a liquidity sweep and evening star, the market is coming down. And we can expect the market to come down up to this level here first. And once this is broken, then on retest, we will see the next level. Or if it's rejected from here to the upside, but how most likely it may come down. But let's see. It's market, so we don't know what for sure what can happen. We only work on probabilities. So I hope this is helpful. This is only short analysis because we already been analyzing gold for last few days. So daily has been broken for 4-5 candles has been broken to the upside. But let's see what happened now. And we have 1 day left today and tomorrow. In fact, almost 2 days, 1.5 day, and to start the week, to end the week. So a weekly situation is that it's highly likely the market will go to the upside. And hopefully you had a good day trading day yesterday because the market went to the upside, and 15 hour we were bullish. Okay, then thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.